smoke weed every day.
Look at the screen in front of you. This is Elvis Monster Kuwas. Him are the HITMAN from Kuwas. This guy is, if not the most dangerous guy that come out of Kuwas. To be honest, viewers and subscribers and people watching this, I am amazed. I was surprised because I usually say Trinidad is a place of rich badness, but I think I'm going to take that back and give Trinidad the second place, and Curacao is the number one, because there's so much going on down there, it makes your head spin. This guy right here, I'm gonna tell you the story about him. Stay tuned to this equation on Elvis Monster Kuwas. And like I said, this is the part 2 to the first video, but I got like a part 3, a part 4, and maybe a part 5. And yeah, this guy, he's a hitman for hire. Look at it, dangerous boy. Stay tuned and I'll tell you the equation on that one here. Countryman. Look at the screen in front of you. You have Elvis Monster Kuwas on the left. And you have the youth here, Jace. Remember we talked about him? In that shit of youth here, in the airport, they pay a policeman 50,000, which is 25,000 US. And when Jace, the youth on the right from the BBC gang, come out of the airport, my youth, they there wait for him and fling him away. You understand? That's how dangerous and how rich badness takes a place in this little small Caribbean leewards side of the Caribbean island. Let's move on. Look at the screen in front of you. To the right, you have Elvis Wells, dead, dash way. The youth up on the left, Elvis Monster Kuwas, him do it. Some other politician pay him to do it. You understand? I'm going to do the story on that too. I just have shown the rich badness we are going. Them pay him $500,000 cash for do what him do. And him do it. You understand? Now, he was upset in this case right here. I never talk about that in another video. So, that was, I think, his second hit when performed. He get $500,000 US cash. Let me rephrase that. Out of that $500,000 there, I think he get 100,000, and he get pissed off over it, over that one thing there. with that brother here. But, like I said, the politician them recruit him. Look upon him, you know. Look upon him. Them recruit him to carry out that. And the man deal with it, dog, straight up. Dangerous guy, if not the most dangerous ever come out at Curacao. Let's move on.
I feel good. Smoke weed every day.
Well, as you know, me have to take time to big up my people. So it's like, good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, country boy, nuclear roster man, rebel, boy I fly all the way from Paris, and I tell me how him afraid of Chuck Norris. Sure. Trini boss, 876 boss, 647 boss, Curacao boss, I joke man. Garage boss, big up yourself every time. No, it's the Curacao thing this, and if you like it, stay tuned and check out the ending of this. Alright, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Check out the social media, and you can also check out the Patreon page and the membership section. I need to put some stuff up, but I'm so lazy and so caught up for Christmas. But I'm gonna get it done. Stay tuned to this page. So, as we move along, at the end of the day, this guy right here, he is not loyal to anybody but himself. He's the hitman, Elvis, Monster, Kuwas. He have 5 pitney, 3 with him current wife right now, and he have 2 other pitney from a previous relationship. He's from Curacao, you understand? And he grew up in pretty much what you would call it children lockup. I forgot what you call it, children detention, a boys home, that's what them say. And that has been his life. Now, this guy right here, he's doing 3 life sentence, believe it or not. And he also testified against the man who gave him the contract to kill the politician, Helmin Wells. So this guy right here is, if not Curacao, most dangerous prisoner or killer or whatever, hitman person. Now, they took him from Curacao, sent him to Amsterdam, because Curacao don't have independence, but them is a country, and I need some special agreement with Amsterdam. And they ship him back to Curacao now. So he's doing 3 life. With that said, I want viewers and subscribers to know that Curacao, just like Jamaica, it's still safe for people because, you know, I lick out on it all the time on them places. But I want people to know that people are still going on with their lives. And these places safe. You just have to know how to move. With that said, this is the story, and I would say the part 2 video to the one I did earlier on this guy, on the guy that he killed, this guy on the gang member that he killed at the airport. So this is part 2, and this is this guy now. So I'm going to do a part 3 and maybe a part 4 because like I said, Curacao, it's super rich badness. That's what, as I'm doing this video and going through all the information and the contacts and the people there, super rich badness. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Drop some comment if you like what I'm doing, and hit your notification button. Okay? Thank you. Countryman, I'm out.